Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this tachometer chart. I hope now you guys have good understanding about this tachometer chart. And in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about the next custom visual of Power BI, which name is word cloud. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief introduction about this word cloud chart. A word cloud is a collection or cluster of words depicted in different sizes. The bigger and the bolder word appears, that more often it is selected voted by an audience member. Word clouds are always powerful ways to visualize what your audience really thinks about a topic. So basically guys, word cloud visual is really helpful to analyze the data which your audience really thinks about a topic. And now let's go to the practical page. And here we guys can see I have already exported this visual from marketplace. And now let me select this visual and make it resize. And here guys, I have taken one sheet here which name is sheet 1. And here under this single column guys, you guys can see we have a paragraph. And now let's go back to the report view. So let me expand this table and select this column 1 and drop here under this category parameter. So see guys, the moment I drop this column 1 under this category parameter, here we guys can see the list of words. These are those words guys that are mentioned by the customer more frequently or less frequently. If I talk about this company word guys, so here we guys can see it is listed in bigger in size, because the word company used by a customer a lot. And if I talk about the other words guys, like this installation, this message, money and so on. So with the help of this visual guys, we can frequently analyze the words which customer are talking about. And if you see this visual guys, so it contains lot of unnecessary words like to, the, and, my, on and so on. So if you guys want to stop all these words, so under formatting pane guys, we have an option which name is stop word. So if you expand this, and you need to click here this default stop words. And see guys, now these words are gone. And now you guys can see only those words which a customer used a lot, like company, customer, order and so on. So if you guys have such kind of data set, then you guys can use this word cloud, where you can analyze the word which is more frequently used by the customer or less frequently. And now let's talk about some formatting pane. So go here in this formatting pane and go to the general. So here under this first feature guys, you guys can remove the repetition. So their minimum number of repetition is 1. Let's say 2. So from here guys, you guys can minimum your repetitions. And now let's talk about the next feature, which is maximum number of words. So by default words guys are 200. Let's suppose if you want to enter the maximum number of words would be 100. So just manually enter 100. See guys. Now we cannot see more than 100 words. So in this way, you guys can redesign this word cloud. And from here guys, you guys can also increase or decrease the font size. So let me reduce the size first. See guys, the word size are reducing now. In a similar way, you guys can also increasing the word size. And the next formatting feature is maximum font size. So from here guys, you guys can also adjust the font size. And one more feature guys is word breaking. So let me turn it off. See guys, if you turn off this button, so you guys can see your all the words has gone out. And if you want to fetch out any special character, just turn on this button. See guys, if you have any special character in your column like just ampersand sign, so you guys can see that words are also come here under this word cloud. So now let me turn it off. And now let me click here on this reset to default. See guys. And now let's talk about the next formatting feature, which is data category. So from here guys, you guys can select your own color. Let's say this time I will select red. So from here you guys can also change the default color. Let's say black this time. So see guys. And just click here on reset to default. And the next formatting feature is stop word, which we have already covered. you guys can remove the small letters like to, my and the and so on with the help of use this default stop words. And the next formatting feature is rotate text. So from here guys, you guys can also rotate your text. So here we have minimum angle, maximum angle and maximum number of orientation. So let me change the angle from here first. See guys. Similar way you guys can also change the maximum angle. And now let me click here on this reset to default. So in this way you guys can also play with all these formatting features. So here is nothing much to cover under this performance. From here guys, you guys can increase the quality of the words and so on. So now let me click here on this reset to default. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and cleared with all the feature of this word cloud. So stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have covered each and every concept in detail. And if you guys click here on this playlist button, so here we guys can see we have multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And also guys, we have one more playlist which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover each and every visual in detail along with some custom visuals. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of detailed learning. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some scenario based questions which is asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.